you guys, welcome back to my channel and you're tuning in to the next video of mine.
This beautiful skin right here, which you see.
We're gonna see what we're gonna do in this video. So stay tuned and keep on watching, ladies and gents. In this video we will be talking about all about sunscreen. I don't know how often I've been telling you guys, put on your sunscreen. Even self, my girlfriends and them, they don't want to listen. It's sunscreen is very important. On your toner, mist, serum, moisturizer, everything else, you gotta put on your sunscreen. Sunscreen, this should be supposed to be the last step of your skincare, people. I'm telling you all, sunscreen is very important. You don't think it's important, you will look back. And when I tell you guys, I told you so, when you start aging, looking cracky or crusty, all like dried up SpongeBob, then you will be saying, oh damn, she told me so. That is what I'm saying. I'm telling you guys. Anyway, let's get straight into this video. So what I've learned about sunscreen is very important, and why and when I did learn about it, I'm really into Korean skincare, and I always wonder why these Asian people don't age, why they don't age. And she told me like sunscreen is very important for your skincare. So let me tell you guys, it have the two type of sunscreens. What I'll be talking about is the chemical sunscreen and the physical sunscreen. Let's get straight into the chemical. So chemical sunscreen, it contains chemical inside, obviously. Chemical sunscreen, actually they absorb the UV rays from your skin. It's blendable, it's lightweight, and it works perfectly under your skin. Most of these sunscreens, I have to say, they are really good, but the next thing is about it is that it has fragrance inside of it. Really good sunscreens where it don't have any fragrance inside. So check it out, read in the back of it what you really want. Sunscreen is the physical sunscreen, and physical sunscreen is the two most important ingredients. What you have to look for is zinc and titanium oxide. That is what you want to look for. So the physical. This is the sunscreen what leaves us black people looking ashy. Not ashy, white as hell. I'm going to insert a picture. That is from this week right here. I was using this sunscreen. It works, it's even better. But since I was going on a hike and I told you guys where I live, the sun is more intensive. So put on that sunscreen, and I'm dark skinned, people. Sun rash. And this is like when you're out in the sun and the sun comes down on your skin.
And you sweat and it's stick on your skin.
It works very good for the beach. When you're sun tanning, this is the sunscreen what you guys really need. Before you guys say, like, a lot of people get confused how much sunscreen to apply, when to reapply. So I am here to help you guys out. So the first thing you want to know is the different skin shades. So I would say like 5 minutes is the lighter skin shades, and then you come to the olive skin tones. Those are those people who tend to get like this smooth, nice caramel brown. Those people are 5 to 10 minutes, and for the darker people, for medium to dark people, those are the 20 to 25 minutes. More pigment in your skin, the lesser it tends for you to get burning outside in the sun. You know what I mean? So how to choose your sunscreen wisely, and what does SPF mean? It means sun protector factor inside of it. So most likely you will see the 30 and the 50. There's also 15, 10, but mostly in Europe you get the 30 and 50, I would say. I'm gonna tell you guys SPF. What is really good for oily skin is the SUPERGOOP. I will list it right here down below so you guys can see. I've tried this and this works so good. Oh my god, people, it works very good for oily skin, also for dry skin. Better said, I would say for all skin types. The next SPF what I'm going to be talking about is the Biossance Sheer Mineral SPF. That is this stuff. It's so good. The first time I tried it, I saw it like from one of my girlfriends from in Munich. She had it, and then I was like, oh my god, I forgot my SPF. Works perfectly for everybody of skin tone, even some most likely for girls who are darker skin and people skin tones. This will not leave you ashy, and you can actually use it as a moisturizer and a SPF. It's like two things in one. This works so good. In the Caribbean, oh my god, that thing, Man, people was asking me, ooh girl, where did you get that glow? But nevertheless, did they know? It was just the SPF. The next SPF what I'll be talking about is the Purito Water SPF. This is really good. It's lightweight and you can use it throughout the day, and it's non-fragrance. Look for non-fragrance SPF because I know some people who are allergic to substance. I will recommend all these stuff here for you guys, so that is really good. Then our next SPF, what I've been using, next sunscreen, what I've been using for the longest while, what works actually really well is my SHISEIDO SPF right here, aging protector. It works really good and it's for wet falls. I use this in the Caribbean almost all the time and it works very well underneath your makeup. It does not, people, leave you. I'm sorry if I didn't show you guys the other SPF. It's because I ran out of it. I tested it for you guys, especially for the whole month. And wait, hold up, before I start rubbing this into my skin, did you subscribe to my channel? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you didn't like, or leave a comment down below, you know. But anyway, start doing it. So like I said, here, right here, this is would not leave, no ashy cast. Look how perfectly this blends into my skin. And I don't know why, but it has like this softness to my skin. I'm just gonna go up a little bit more. It has like this softness. It does have a fragrance. Often do I reapply this sunscreen. I reapply this twice in a day. I reapply when to reapply it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take the SPF number from this, take the minutes when you start burning in the sun and times that, and you will actually see that's how much minutes it's actually on your skin. I learned that and I was like, it's not like you have to always think and calculate about it. No, I wouldn't do it. But this is the sunscreens what I've been telling you guys about. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. So good with the skin. This summer is gonna be glowy. So thank you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Love you guys. Bye.